Keep going. All your perseverance will pay off. Today's topic. Never give up. Sometimes, we all feel life is too hard. We try so hard, yet see no results. We persevere for so long, yet remain alone. You tell yourself to keep going, but your heart grows increasingly weary. Actually, Taoism has long told us, true cheering up isn't about forcing yourself to work harder, but about letting your heart find peace again. Taoism speaks of wu-wei non-action, not inaction, but acting in accordance with the natural flow. When you feel powerless, it's not because you haven't tried hard enough, but because you're going against your own heart. The wind doesn't need to exert force to blow across mountains and rivers. Water doesn't need to fight to flow to the sea. The most important cheering up for a person is returning to their own rhythm, letting every step align with their inner nature. Have you noticed that the more you want something, the less likely you are to get it? The more you fear losing it, the easier it is to break down. Chuangzi said, "The perfect man has no self, the divine man has no merit, the sage has no name." This doesn't mean you should give up trying, but rather that you should let go of your attachments. Don't be bound by the result, but believe in the process itself. When you are no longer obsessed with winning, and no longer afraid of losing, at that moment, you are free. Many people think that strength is about gritting your teeth and enduring, but Taoism says, the weak overcomes the strong. Softness is not weakness. It is knowing how to bend in the storm, and preserve your heart in the face of setbacks. When you calm down, and stop fighting against fate, you will find that love has always been waiting for you to gently embrace it. Tranquility is a kind of strength. Softness is a kind of wisdom. Taoism says, all things are in flux. No wind will blow you forever. No rain will fall forever. Today's pain may be your strength tomorrow. What you perceive as collapse is actually the rebuilding of your soul. So, don't be afraid of the darkness now. It's just a breath before dawn. Dear friend, you've already done so well. Stop blaming yourself for being too slow. You're just learning to make peace with yourself. The Tao tells us, those who go with the flow will eventually reach their destined place. So believe, no matter how difficult things are now, you are moving towards the light. Keep going. You can do it.